at my face! Oh, fuck. I didn't have any goggles on. Oh.
Welcome back, everyone. This week we're at Horseshoe! Wow, that was a great way to start the season. I did not have my goggles on. I was just riding way too close to Lucas. I wanted to go up the thing. I may or may not have completely forgot what happens when a bike goes over that little jump. And when someone gets a little bit happy with... Well, he doesn't even have to be happy with the throttle. Just over that jump, and then it just kicks a shitload of mud and stones. And, oh my god, my face hurts so bad. Like, I think like little rocks impaled in them, dug themselves deep into my eyes. Oh my god, it was painful. I had to take a minute. I couldn't see for a start. Like, I think my eyes were literally just like packed with mud, and not only were my eyes packed with mud, but like it was all in my mouth. Ugh. Gotta take a massive load to the face. Start the season, I guess. That's how you start a good ride. Anyways, so today I'm here with Lucas and Isaiah. There's a lot of fallen trees. I guess it's all from the rain the night before, or the day before. There was like tons and tons of rain the day before, right? So yeah, we're here with Lucas and Isaiah. I don't remember how to ride. We bumped into Isaiah in the car park when we were unloading, so it was really good to see him out. Unfortunately, he wasn't here with Sydney. He was saying that they accidentally blew up their bike, and I just got my bike back as well after a lot of maintenance. So I'm just readjusting the clutch and getting it all set up properly. And it feels like it's biting pretty good, but it's just super fucking fiddly. This clutch lever, like. I can totally understand why nobody can be bothered to set it up and then just goes back to the regular stock lever, because it's just super fucking fiddly. Even the instructions, like from the people who make it, say like do quarter turns at a time. So yeah, gotta get that bike bedded in. So I got my bike back from Langs. Gage and Rob were working on it, and I had a lot of stuff done to it. I did the top and the bottom, suspension, the clutch, brakes, bearings, like, yeah, whew, that was a big one. But I figured, well, the bike's at like about 280 hours, and if I'm doing a top end on it, I might as well just get everything done. It's getting super close to that like 300-hour mark. So just, you know, refresh that whole thing. I know like the dash doesn't say, like, it says like 230 or something like that, but it's wildly out, because it's like the whole of the corduroy, it didn't work. The whole of this and that, it doesn't work. And I know every time we go out, it's about 2 hours riding, and then like, so obviously I can be like, okay, we've been out 15 times, it's 30 hours plus the corduroy, and I'm like, you see the race times like 8 hours plus this event plus that event. You're like, oh, okay, it's getting there. So yeah, there was a lot of work done to the bike. I kept stalling a lot actually as well, because I've got a fresh brake disc on it as well at the back now, and fresh pads. So obviously the bike is much more aggressive, and yeah, I also spent a bit of time actually completely changing the position of the clutch, because before, so I have tiny little children hands. I've mentioned this 1,000 million times, but with all my bikes, all my road bikes, I would always be like trying to, I'd always be trying to like, just at the tippy tip of my fingertips, I could reach the clutch and I'd pull it in. And then with the dirt bike, obviously, yeah, I can move it down the handlebars. But I still always just put it right at the end of my fingertip, and I think it's just because I've been used to it, like all the street riding I've ever done and all of that, I just kept it the same kind of thing. But then after talking to Gage, I was thinking, wait, I have an adjustable clutch, why do I set it up exactly the same as I had it before? Like, I might as well try it, see what it's like if I have like a normal sized person's hand. So I've brought it right even further in, like super close in. It might feel like weirdly close in for people with normal hands, but for me it's now at the like first crease in your finger. I don't know what it's called, is it a knuckle? Joint? Whatever. It's at that point now. So it was kind of fantastic, because actually riding the whole day I didn't feel any fatigue in my finger. Everywhere else, of course, but in my finger I was like, oh, this is nice. And yeah, like, you have to spend, like I showed, a lot of time like fiddling around to get that shit working, because it's super sensitive. It genuinely is like a quarter, third turn, and then you're like, oh, cool, now it's too far. But you know, I got it so it bites real good and it doesn't slip, so I'm super happy with it now. But I mean, like, if I ever do break it, I'll probably try and find like a different design of leather, so the pin is not adjustable and it's just the handle that's adjustable, because that would make a lot more sense and I can't fuck it up. So yeah, I mean, I'll see for next time, but sometime, hopefully never, hope I don't break it, I hope it just works good. But yeah, I mean, that's the way it is. I think also the pin's always was a little bit out from its original position, because when the clutch rod wears down on the beta, because they're made of like chocolate or something, or maybe something softer than chocolate, but either way, like they like form a massive divot in the rod, so obviously things push at different points because it's all like moved in and stuff. So yeah, it's all kind of shitty, and I probably wound it in a little bit to overcompensate for the fucking divot popping in. So obviously when it was all put back together, Gage was probably just like, what the fuck's this shit? It doesn't fucking work. It's terrible, which is understandable. And then like he doesn't have the time and shouldn't need the patience to try and figure out this stupid clutch when every other clutch just works when you put it on. So I get it. Like, it's stupid, but yeah, whatever. I got it fixed. Yeah. So what else? Goyu's growing up good. He's 13, 14 months now. Yeah, 13 and a half months. Walks. He talks. I say talks. He like me, is a continuous trail of noise pouring out of his mouth. Oh, yeah. Still don't know how to ride. I mean, it is weird. So, like, these trees that have all fallen, I lack any confidence of going over even the most basic thing. And then this is like, oh, slightly off-angled, wet twig. I might die. But yeah, so Goyu, he now walks and talks. That's cool. It's fascinating seeing him grow. I can't wait to pop him on a bike. He has like a little like paddle stroller bike thing, but he doesn't really know how to use it that well yet. But I think it's just a matter of time. He's getting tall as well. It's like 81 centimeters now, 82, something like that. So he's growing up nicely. He's got a little personality. He keeps calling me Mama. He calls my wife Baba. You can figure out which ones those are, even if you can't speak Chinese. It's pretty simple. It's funny. I find it funny. But we probably should teach him who's who. Actually, when you ask him where is Mama, he knows, and he'll point at my wife. He won't point at me. But when he says, like, what's her name, he'll say like, she's called Mama, which is hilarious, even if it's the immediate sentence afterwards. But yeah, whatever. I wanted to actually get out to Baxter the week before, but he was ill. He got hand, foot and mouth, and then he passed that on to me. So that was shitty. Like, I was like, fever, dizzy. I was like, probably not the safest idea to go out, right? And Baxter's shot anyway, so I was like, you know what, fuck it. I'll just not go that week and actually rest and make sure I'm good to ride this week. And it was a good day to go for a ride. Yeah, it was a very good day to go for a ride. Oh man, I missed it. Like, I feel like motorcycles are like therapy for me. So, you know, after like the winter blues, or if I'm ever feeling like kind of shitty, like after, you know, feeling ill, and then like seeing Goyu like have a first like proper illness, because he had like hands and feet and mouth had like blisters. He was like in pain, and like seeing him walk around because he doesn't know how to just like sit and chill because he's a baby. So he'll get up and like start walking around, and he's just walking around holding his little teddy crying, and it's just because he's in pain, because he's walking on blisters, and the more he walks the more he cries. It's just feels shitty, right? So like, he's fine now, obviously, of course, like, but for the first few days he has like a fever, doesn't understand, he shakes his head because his head hurts, and then obviously it makes it worse because he's got a massive headache, clearly, obviously. But yeah, so getting out to do for me later, well, after he's better, and like, you know, helps me get my yin and yang back. You know how it is, man. But yeah, it feels good. Like, get out, get some motor therapy in. My worries go away for a few hours. Man, it's all good. I fucking miss this shit. It's long winter, because my winter started early, because it's just how it is, right? I don't know if I'm going to do any events this year, like race events, that's what I meant. I didn't actually even sign up this year for a number, just because I'm just so unsure. But I mean, last year I was like, I don't know how it is, I'll just sign up. But then this year I'm like, it's probably not. Maybe I'll do the 6 hour or something like that, because you don't have to sign up for much, just pay a fee and go turn up. And it's super close to my place, it's only like half an hour away. But that's later in the year, that's nowhere near now. I just want to get out and just ride for a bit. Just get out and go for a rip. Go for a little rip.
Slow down. Oh, it tastes like mud.
Oh yeah, my hose still had a ton of mud on it from when Lucas absolutely blasted my face. But yeah, I started riding pretty shitty in the morning, obviously, and then by the afternoon I was feeling far more confident. But the GoPro was out by then, so you know. So it was like, oh yeah, I do remember how to twist a throttle. I do remember how to go around a corner. I'm not completely incompetent. Well, I mean, alright, well, you know, I am. So maybe we'll just leave it at that. Anyway, that'll do for this week.
Just
See ya.